Hey Chiefs, I was in the share drive the other day and I realized that you guys were doing something pretty interesting with a BC tie-in and the process that takes for you to download it, get it all printed out, and then re-upload it and save it, and just looked very clunky. And I was playing around in Quickbase, and some of you guys know about Quickbase, some of you don't. Um, and I put something together, and I just wanted to send it out to you to show you to see if you guys think it'll be of any value or not. No harm, no foul either way. But I got an application form or something that will allow you guys to not have to worry about pulling that doc up, filling it out, resaving it. You basically can just pull it up on an app or on your desktop and save as you go. And whatever you do will be just kind of all automated in the background. You can even check it on your way into work, all those things. So I'm going to broadcast a couple things to you, show you what it looks like on the computer, and then also show you what it looks like on the app, and just see, get feedback from you guys. So let's take a look here. So this here is our Quickbase. So legacy limo guys very familiar with it, but we basically can build out applications. Right now, the station journal piece is being used for inspections with the city of Linwood, and hopefully that'll be growing out a little bit for that and pre-fire. So we've also been working on some supply stuff just to help you guys not have to manage that either, that spreadsheet. So anyways, here's the BC tie-in portal is what I've called it. If we click on it, open it up, what you'll see when you first come to this dashboard is you will see that it will show you broken down single place where you've got your tie-ins from the previous day. So today's the 30th, so this will show things from the 29th. And what I'll probably do is change this to show the previous from 08 on today to through 08 of yesterday, instead of just having yesterday. So that way, if you guys put things in the morning or overnight, they're not getting missed. Early morning stuff, things like that. But basically what this is, I mean, you would pull this up, you would have a login, you'd come in and you would come in and take a look. You can do this on your phone, or you can just log in from home and check it out, and you'll see, North, Central, South Battalion. There they are, right? This is what they've done. I kind of made the layout just like you guys have it. Who did it and what was put in there, so that you can do either single tie-ins where you got all this stuff, or you can, go as you're going through the day. Maybe you're putting things in while you're out in the field. You log in on your phone and just go in the app and put it in real quick. So with that, up here you got this is where you would do a new tie-in if you wanted to put one together, which we'll do in a sec. This would show you, we'll click on it just if you just wanted to see all the North tie-ins ever done from all days. You would click on that and it would show you all of them historically, right? So now we got a historical place to keep these, and kind of, whether you guys need that or not, I don't know, but it's an option. So that's how those work. So on top of that, you can also go in, if you've forgotten something, you can go into your own profile and you can go back and you can take a look at all of the tie-ins that you've done. Let's see, I think Blashley has one. And you would see, if there were multiple, you would see all of those instead of just this single one. I'm trying to think. I think maybe Chief Anderson has a couple. And again, yeah, so you would be able to go back in and see a historical view of those. So really, I mean, just very basic. Lots of search options here on the side too, and things like that if you had a certain date. Really, real easy. So if you're going to do a new tie-in for today, we would click new tie-in. The date autofills for today. It'd say North Battalion. We'll say D shift tie-in, app intro, talking, online, training. Oops, that was a copy paste. Training, we'll just say tie-in app. Save that. If you wanted to do another one, you could do save and new if you had multiple ones you wanted to put in. But anyways, you go back here. So in this case, because it's the 30th, it would not show up on the tie-in itself. But because it's part of the North Battalion, if we click on this North one, you see that there it is, right? So it automatically updates there. So Super easy, gives you guys a view of everybody and what all's got going on. Plus, we have the ability, if we wanted to add some more functionality in here, timestamps or more fields as you guys are going, and this is growing and becoming easier and not a Word document. Things that you could do here. You could also build in notifications where it would be the first thing up here. Maybe if Chief Ovis wants to send something out to everybody and notify you guys, it would be a block up here and it would notify you guys and you would get that, and it would also automate to your email, the battalion email. So they're just another option for communication. So now I'm going to try, hopefully this will work. I'm going to try to show you what this looks like from your phone or iPad, right? We can put this on iPads and things of that sort. So it's all an application based online deal. So let's try this now. So we will, here we're going to screen share. So I'm on my iPhone now. All right, this is just from my iPhone view. And this thing is a little clunky, so hopefully it'll work for us. I'll try to be quick. But here you see, you would have this app. And as we go through more apps that we want to add on, I've got a ton of other things built in. Oh, killing me. All right, try this again. So BC tie-in portal, I just clicked on that. Here you would go, if I click on this daily tie-in, that would show me, and I click on this little more function, so that would show me, obviously this is the North Battalion. If I scroll down, there's Central, there's South, all right? I click on the more button, and you can actually see that info there, okay? So each one of these. All right, so if I go back, I can see all my tie-ins. I can add, I'm gonna click on new tie-in, and I'll just show you how it works from the app. Pretty easy. South, shift, we'll say A, Battalion Chief, Mr. Rudell, test app, telestaff. I'm just kind of putting a few things in there so it's make calls. Save that. Boom, so that's a South Battalion one. So now if I go back, there's a few ways to go back, but if I go back to app home and I click on South tie-ins, then that will be in there as the top one there. So pretty easy. On your way into work, you can come in here and take a look at all the daily tie-ins for North, Central, and South. And yeah, pretty straightforward. Same thing, you can go in, you can pull up your BC yourself, and you can look and see all of the ones that you've done, along with your info, things like that. But you click on your name, and it will show you right here all of your tie-ins. You can see that right here. So if I click on that, it'll show everything to me. So pretty basic, pretty cool thing. Hopefully you guys will find some value in it. I do think that it's better than what you guys got going. So you can do it from your iPhone, from your iPad, or you can go back and do it off of the computer. So lots of options. I think it's way better than what you guys have, and we're paying for this tool, and hopefully we've got some more applications we can use for it in the future. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and we will follow up and see if we want to kick this off, make your life a little bit easier than it is now. All right, y'all have a good one. Good day.